Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a T-bone steak on my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. I haven't tried cooking a bone-in steak on this little grill yet, but so far I really like it. All you have to do is turn on the gas and hit the igniter like that. And the grill grates are cast iron, and it's nice because they're coated so they don't rust. So we'll get the lid down and let those warm up for a little bit, and then we'll get the steak on there. I see smoke coming off of this, so we should be hot enough to go here. This is about a 0.91 pound T-bone steak, and I seasoned it last night with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper and put it into the fridge. And so I just pulled it out about an hour ago and let it kind of come up to room temperature there. And I'm just gonna get that on there. It's not very thick, so I don't think it should have to cook for very long on each side. It's been on that side for about 3 minutes, so I'm going to flip it over now. Nice grill marks. It's been on this side for about 2.5 minutes. So I think that is probably done, and I am going to get it off of there. Has nice grill marks, but I wonder how the inside looks. We'll cut this New York strip side first and see how that looks inside. Oh, I think I left it on a little bit too long. Not very much pink there. See how the filet mignon side looks here. Well, kind of overcooked that side a bit as well. Well, what did I say? I had 3 minutes on one side and 2.5 on the other side. That was probably a little bit too long. Like I said, it's my first bone-in steak I've cooked on that grill, but let's taste it and see how it is. Pretty good. It's tender, has a really nice flavor. You do get some smoky flavor from that grill because with those cast iron grates, they get so hot and then it smokes. And when you have the lid down, that smoke kind of surrounds the meat. It does give it kind of a nice smoky flavor. It's a little different than charcoal, a little more subtle, but I like it. I probably could have pulled that off a tad bit sooner, but for the first time, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Time to let Annie the taste test dog try it.